Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to create a new profile in Brave browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Brave browser on your computer. Once it loads up, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see three horizontal lines there, which is your main menu icon. Go ahead and click on those three lines to open the menu. From the drop-down that appears, hover over or click on More Tools. This will expand another submenu showing you additional options for managing your browser. In that submenu, you'll see an option that says Add New Profile. Click on this option to begin creating your new profile. This feature is really useful if you want to keep different browsing activities separate, like having one profile for work and another for personal use, or if multiple people share the same computer and want their own customized browsing experience. Once you click Add New Profile, a new window will pop up asking you to set up your profile details. The first thing you'll need to do is enter your profile name. This is where you give your profile a unique identifier so you can easily recognize it later. Type in whatever name you prefer, whether it's your actual name, something like work profile, or anything else that helps you distinguish it from other profiles. Next, you'll want to select your preferred theme color for this profile. Brave gives you several color options to choose from, which helps you visually differentiate between profiles at a glance. Browse through the available colors and click on the one that appeals to you most. This color will appear in the browser's interface whenever you're using this particular profile, making it easy to know which profile you're currently in. After you've entered your profile name and selected your theme color, look for the Done button at the bottom of the window. Click on Done to finalize the creation of your new profile. Brave will then set everything up for you, which should only take a moment. Once the process completes, your new profile will be ready to use with its own separate bookmarks, history, extensions, and settings, all independent from your other profiles. And that's it. You've successfully created a new profile in Brave browser. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.